ApowerEdit lets your stories come alive. This video editor has a very clear interface, media library, preview window, and edit panel. Import files by dragging them to media library, then add them to the timeline. There are many practical tools in the toolbar, such as split, zoom, crop, and mosaic. With amazing picture-in-picture, you can add many interesting pictures to your video. Aren't satisfied with your shots? Beautify your video by adjusting these buttons here. You can also add all kinds of subtitles or captions to your video. This video editor comes with many fantastic filters, overlays, and transitions, which will undoubtedly meet your needs. Select your preferred format, then click Export to save your work on the PC. ApowerEdit enables anyone to be a great video editor easily. Download and show off your creation now.